Hi everyone, your Queen Elizabeth is here with a very amazing and exclusive platform, one and only my channel Queen Elizabeth. So guys, here you can see that the wait is over. Now you can get access the unlimited Kling 3.0 exclusively on your Hig field. And here you can see that we are guys live here and you can get now your exclusive links and you can now use your images profiles. You can make this early access that is very unlimited guys. Nano Banana Pro, and you can check that 70% is off now guys. Just who you are join here, and here you can see that this is the new Kling 3 Torch, and this is the very unlimited access that you can use. And if you get now, you can get with very exclusive early access that is Kling 3 dot omni. And you have to also get access 365 unlimited nano banana pro, that is the for 365 days. And this guys is a limited offer for 24 hours right now, and you can also save up your 70% on all at Hicksfield plans. And you can get up now, you can get discount right here now. You have to just go, you have to join and sign up right now guys. This is the golden opportunity. You have to join and also get this limited offer at new Kling 3.0, that is very exclusive. And guys, we are live right now, and you can join right now this amazing platform. And I will tell you briefly detail about these amazing offers and about plans which you can choose. So you have to stay connected with me for being using this amazing platform guys. So just go and get the beat access to the unlimited Kling 3.0 exclusively on Hickfields and Nano Banana Pro, that is 365 unlimited with 70% off. So join and go guys. Here you have to just get. And guys, I have to say that if you are new on my channel Queen Elizabeth, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos and notification guys. And I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before every investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss guys. You can see that Kling 3.0 exclusive early unlimited access here. You can get unlimited Nano Banana Pro, that is 70% off for you. So you have to be the first to access this unlimited Kling 3.0 exclusively on Higgsfield and Nano Banana Pro, that is 65 unlimited with 70% off. And this one time offer will expire in 18 hours 13 minutes. So you have to just go and join right up now, and you have to sign up here guys. Here you have to check out, you have to go and pick your plan. Either you have to get higher limits, priority access, newest features first. And here you can see that Kling 3.0 exclusively on high speed AI plus 365 unlimited nano banana pro. Here you can see our monthly and annual exclusive, where you have to choose your plan. Either you get monthly or you get yearly. And here are the all of our basic pro ultimate creators plan, that you have to go and get your videos plan, your images plan. As I tell you, you can create your image, you can create your videos. This is the very amazing. You can also get cinematic videos, lip sync studios. Here you can also choose your characters features. Here is each and everything you can choose here. So you have to go and you have to just join here this exclusive Hig fields, and you can create here all of your cinematic studios. Here you can generate like this videos here as in, and this is the on to you. You have to just check, and you can use this in paint, where you can upload your media. You can also check out our characters, our editing here, and you can swap your character, video face swap, AI stylist at the tops. You can edit your videos, Nano Banana Pro in Paint, and product placement. You can create your videos like as in cinemas, mixed media, or just get a one click, and then you can explore all of these features of new Kling 3.0 exclusive in Higgs field. And here you can explore all of these things. Guys, you have to just stay connected with us because we have to launch our most of the important things here, and we will give you a lot of things, and you have to just go and join here, and you have to also invite your family and friends. And a guide to all the next era of AI video generations. Here you can enable structure scene based AI video generation with precise control over pacing, motion, and subject consistency. So it's combined generations editing, a single workflow that's allowed to shape video through instead of restarting form structure. You can try now. You can go here and just control this and join this and use this. What is basically 3 point Kling 0? This is the latest release generation of the Kling video model that extends evolution of earlier version by moving beyond single shot generation. And you can generate here your like a video that sports 3 to 50 seconds output results in 1080p and scene based multi shot you can generate here. And this is the hick fields that's output align naturally with motion design and also topography that's you can timing on canvas. It's very take, and so you can go here and like start and frame control right now. This make very easier scene to the elements and subject management to all of this is the Higgs field that stable element make motion graphics reliable. Their relationship also driven motions and camera behavior. Here you can also watch these videos, these tutorial, and their audio is supported now. You can edit all of these things at Kling 3.0. This is our latest now. Right now we are live here. You can view all, and you can also generate this all multi ultimate AI power camera control for filmmakers, creators. You can use here. So stay. You can get to your access at Higgsfield's app. Here you can give only one click AI effects that transform any content into very professional ads, viral trends, and your aesthetic masterpiece. Here you can enhance your style, face identity, video editing, ads, products, games, characters, and also cameras and motions. You can generate your angles, shots as like you are doing in a film, in a cinema. Here you can try right now. We are live, guys, as you know that, and we are open now. We will you have to just go and join this new Kling 3.0 exclusive on Hitsfield. You have to get early access here, and we are 70% off, guys. You have to go and you have to use right now, as you know that we are live right now, and this is the video editing you can get. You can also check out our ad products, our games characters, in which character you have to choose. You can also generate trending templates, that is viral content on AI, and you can generate here. You have to join here, and you can use this all of the amazing feature at sitting your home. Just go and watch and join here. So stay connected with our further updates and news about at Kling 3.0 and exclusive on Hikesfield. So stay connected with us, guys. See you next video. Thanks for watching.